Welcome to the new Toronto Hyundai, now proudly located at 151 Billy Bishop Way, just off of Dufferin Street, north of Yorkdale Mall. In this short video, we'll walk you through just how easy it is to access our service department when bringing your vehicle in for maintenance. As you approach from Billy Bishop Way, turn into the main driveway located on the south side of the street. Follow the arrows clearly marked on the pavement. They'll lead you straight to our Toronto Hyundai service entrance. As you approach the garage doors marked Service Drive-Thru, they'll open automatically for you. If the doors don't open right away, no need to worry. Please wait momentarily and someone from our team will open them for you. Once inside the drive-thru, simply place your vehicle in park and one of our friendly service advisors will greet you shortly. From there, your car is in our expert hands. If you'd like to wait, our comfortable customer lounge is just through the sliding doors in the Toronto Hyundai showroom. Alternatively, we offer a shuttle service within the area from the dealership or an easy drop-off to Yorkdale Mall. Thank you for your business and thank you for choosing Toronto Hyundai. We look forward to seeing you soon.